It's time to rehabilitate the 2021 KTM 250 XCF. Okay, here's what we have. We have the frame, we have the ECU connector, we have the fuel pump connector, and this trunk here splits into two pieces. Alright, so I've got this trunk here taped there, the trunk there, that one there, this one here. I've removed the tie wrap from here, and now I've removed this wad from that. Now I'll remove this cable and this from what looks like a ground. There. Then I just have this thing to take out. Alright, so I've taken the hour meter and the lights off here, so pretty well loose up front. Now I'm taking the handlebar controls. Okay, so I'm down to the frame. Nothing left but the frame. Now we'll take it outside, clean it up real good, get all this grime and grit off of it, and then we will begin reassembling.